Got away.
Wouldn't the free
special spray.
When you are saying here, special spray, away. Got away. Meaning pa.
Meaning
now. I say you.
Meaning no go tell me got away.
Got away. Oh, there be share. I had no more catch. I had no more na me busa him. Last September said last year. Omu tuwe mu nyina o. Last year we first said early February March.
Yes.
And omu ya the Silton. Why ko? Omu ti mu nyina o.
Mekai pandi abekoto
some time to my hine ka ho asem no.
Yes.
Omu ti mu o.
Na mu so gina ho kra nwumre bi.
Mo share TV, join us on Facebook. So Sompa 3.1 na show ani so ad. Omu ti mu mansuo no fam na nsuo komo.
Na me ka se gata emini no. Mini no. Mini gata emini.
Oh,
infancy. Gata way. Any example o adwuma ye. Aju so mu buaso. Say ebi o buaso.
Eno be better.
Na buaso no nya sam kitwa.
Omu buaso kra still efini ye be no osoro ma na twea fa from.
Eno kra be west.
Oh.
This drainage, me say February March war. Omu timu ena na bantu mahene kan.
Yeah.
Enche yo, hwede akọ amasayo. Kumasi fo nyame anum ni yemu bi ye hu ofi o.
Oh, akonta. Ye buru ye ho pa.
Yemu bi ye hu ofi.
Ye buru ye ho. Buru ye ho pa.
Me say enra pa, enra trotro driver bi ya de ho.
Spirit no Ghana. Glutonic spirit no.
Enra trotro driver bi ya de. Me de me car ma hro me car.
Oh.
Awo ayi Zen hono X54 akwahuru car ma me.
So brighten.
Na me car yi pa me ni boss ahwa.
What? Bam.
Tenta so gubi cafe e gu car no wa fe no no akira. Who boss? Na oyo boss am lower car no down na. Omo car no nyina. Omo yi car no tinta so go. Me hena nim sa. Na me twice ko. Oh drive o. Santa so we. Why no case no koju to baby a chi no.
Prince Tanzania o si free play mu no say Johnson de no. E no fa play ne tie no ho na.
Ai. Also ni so anya play ne tie. Chrome na. Bayi say be a street ni mu sa no. E no ko gina kire o.
Oje ofa kire ho no mo ana. Play ne tie no ho pe na. O de dwe. Na bo.
Just all you want won tiase. I think say Adea Akye Abia anamo mu tu no. Omayade.
Na na ejiri.
Omayade. Ena akwan no so ba bia portals bi abeba aye T junction a ha adwen no.
Agotare gi say we omusa dodo kwan no wina.
Omusa do no un. What they are doing is omo ye the Silton of the gutters.
Okay.
Because January February enche bia no nsuo sase say yi ni tia. This is Adea omo ye na anwumre to combat crime no. Oh, I mean, I cry. I'm saying, "How so Brimeni so?" But Kumasi, Kumasi.
Ahanye ekwan no a ofa so besi adum no.
I.
As a patase, oko patase na.
Ayo, ahaya
ECG hono.
ECG adum. ECG hono a. Omo son kanea no a unti. Se si ade abeba no say. Regional Coordinating Council the children na ye sum ni ade nyina no be ye hire
agoda hode na hode na hoye tum dodo
eti we a wo hwe so say but from Santasi to anyinam yaw ade san a fe keke
wa son kanea no
ya 100%
na oso no yo me so patase so de no
patase main street
high street no akota
omo be
interchange
ode ba interchange you say baby the tum say enye pra odu interchange no so dia nkane ne so kama back ode ba fru interchange no sumsa
na wusane kura no
ombe yemo ke me abaso
somewhere ade
wo mo anya ade ayebuka nti wo mo yenso a e wo se ma amanfo hu na nkoye te ase ye de da bonia na ehu dabi ukodu KM anim ho no ma madam fo baako ono kra no ni company no CFAO omo ton cars no Renault cars no me body pa one of their managers
okay
ono etwe madwene si so o KM anim ho minim sa no pay amana na neta ho no ano pay minim se na ni beji pa because no o twe madwene si so and then so my amana
traffic bi ba unso duru ha obeto obo no wato amana ni mu na
careful dey akọ TV3 ho anasa o dey fro Toyota
ho
no Omaya dey pa
and na kan yakota say ufri aseda house ho no mo ba na traffic light na ubetwam akọ abotre ye ho no
ho na se ho no ibisu amana bi ho so mo dey anwea bi agu ho but eno emwa if you say Sompa mo mani ko no no so ma traffic ba
pa so ma traffic basa area ho pa a life nche ho no mo no
na Malcolm anim ho Malcolm T Junction 4 junction no ketwa ho no eno so mo hwe because Malcolm dey any the traffic ka bi adu obeso o slow down and now o ya drew friend say a life
penina e wase ho
ewo ayi ho no a life penina ewo
o de kwa
Jekum building ho no amana ketuwe bi da ho taxi drivers ne be catch okay e ho so gradually emu bie omunye ne ntempa
na ikufo ba se ni mu yi baby ikufo ba se jire
na kufo ba
eni o me frank akro
e o de flag si hu frank the Ghana flag si hu say ni si hu
U10
amna bi enta ho
report junction baby abeto
U10 ho na no de frank
amna bi abeto ho no de Ghana flag si
amna ba ko na ka pese me kai
yes
angel FM ni mu wa so ebi wo ho
na so FM ho na ye ma amna kase pa
angel FM ni mu ho na o de ba traffic light ase ho na
e ma cars na eko bantoma no omu vie say ya na cars na eko straight no bia so e dodge
no kre ena usane se woko eye Kumasi girls no aprepo junction ho na no ase ho na so no ananda amana bia ba beto eye
the fees o ma sha ase no mo munyai yentimi nya ni nyina gusu sa kakra na betimi ama ya twi afa so omo ntete mai
ani bi mitari e hye mi nyina de ne ma fufra tete we bi nie ufa ne ntete
papa Gambra
Gambra da so se nyina na adwuma hu ana
se no ntino wo ye no
o wache
ba we dem say atapoku mo wo sa say metro fo
se atapoku na metro engineer okay se
ne we ni dodo we
atapoku adwuma
what ye kai what aya de
se ne atapoku boss ne Gambra
ne boss ne Gambra okay. Now, in 15 minutes time, we'll try to speak to Nana Omanhene. Nano can same way nyina. Ne aka kiosk ahodwa atwa Kumasi ho ahia. Ama Kumasi aye time. Na kiosk ne nyina anya obi assembly members.
Engineer Edward Amwadi esi.
Obi timi kra fa ne girlfriend no ama no kiosk.
Hwe akota. O be yo line na wan pene a o kiosk no.
Ye betu afiro.
O de be chro no. Na sama boy ho no mo no.
Anakota na yesi crew room to airport runabout. That's why here. On the crew room traffic light na say. Uchem dey akọ airport runabout no. Amana bi susu aba beto ho. And na dey call say is this so software board you say.
So far what you say
from Kumasi
di say adwen kwanta o say adwen kwanta self-filling station bi ho ne nche ho na so amana bi aba beto ho no mo a at least ufiri Kumasi titru no mo land airport no ya
ho no mo ejidi say empanifo na hu na omatu anamon we no ye wo gidie ni ahotoso say de o ma sha se ye no wo Georgia runabout omo ye no work KMB honoma na omo de kusua omo hwe de aka ni nyina omo ntumi ngusu ma ye kra na omo tete ma e smooth ride at least udu golden tool upon our book careful ko golden tool Lancaster e kwan no kan won pillar bi ane etua UMB ho investor merchant bank anim ho na no so abaye asem kese se no eyede no mo de bia omo yi ni nyina afi ho ama ye say I will take you off aye smooth ama ekwan no so aye kama pa
but also this is the Kumasi abrochire o
Efa.
Nye Lancaster ho ni.
I know so
dan no musisi ho no.
No, titinda da nyina tititititi.
Eti kania ne so ho be ye fair.
Ebre bi atwa mu na taxis ne cars mfa ho.
Ah.
Na ho na brofo ne te na car mfa ho. To Santasi roundabout na car bi amfa ho. Uni private car na ya taxi. Te say na area na kwesi ajuma de late na lane na taxi mfa ho. Oso mo mfa.
Omo pa ben bodo.
Omo du a papa.
Dipa jina wa no be for taxi o na be bo abia me nafa. No ba ben pepe.
Yes, Sama boy. Be producer ayima sutre say Nimri Forest no kremu ni akonta mining oni Nimri Forest na emom owo ho.
Oni emune ho.
You know they inside by day around.
Ya ni enkoso. Na ni asi achi.
Enye ma wo ya say omuduma no wo certain other areas. Na Nimri Forest ne to mampani ka say onye illegal mining. Ewo Nimri Forest no kre na emom. Omu di juma bi wo. Ho no mo ne ade a Sama boy mrante de omo si Nimri Forest o de omo ne obi abewu. You see omo nyina aye citizen vigilantes wo ho ma wo mo twen. Na Adea Akye ni mo me enhwa de. Me say tell cause for Adena 5 days into the implementation of e-levy to 1%. Omo encalibrate omo machines. Na still omo da so je 1.5.
Omo da so je 1.5.
Yes.
Nti we no 0.5 na egusu no besa de akwa akoma ban ya na say
omo de agree Mami ni Emmanuel Labi twetwe komo oye leader concerned citizen of Sama boy. Emmanuel me mache eba Sompa TV Sompa radio.
Ya me na be ma.
Now what to say?
Na me adom oba de nkonye de.
Okay. Me gidi se mate asema o mampani na nadan kwakufu ado gada mampani de ato ewiase nyina anim se nra o kasa ne de akonta mining is not engaged in any illegal mining. Wadaro Sama boy akonta mining ni dwumadie wo ho no. Mo be ka ne say owo Nimri Forest mu ana say wa anya bibia wo ho kra ana oye bibi wo ho ne dede ne ba ne wajai wa free ho ana so da so ho.
Yo me na me da se edi kan ma no tia we tie for no hweso na anopei nse kaka medical aka ene se oba Sama boya nse Sama boy ku no edin no ba social media na se ba mfremo kaka wo mbra juma kura efe na contaminants be juma e wo Sama boy and in the first place no we had put on record say akontamba Sama boy and coming yes sure say shooting incidents bi be koswa ye hu asema ye link to Sompa 93.1 omampanyi eka se asat endra no din komo no e wo isi region no the mining activity bia enkoso e wo Sama ba na sa contaminants engage e wo illegality bia na sa illegal mining na say asem no ye rem kaka na as leadership of the association before you bet in team kata e wo kwan so enche ye be chema man san nyina hu emra ekoso e wo Sama boy na esam kata ni medu na mami emfa work fidie so na minche mu kaka ese dumakura ye fe no tanon eye akontaman ono na other companies bi so a omo so eye minerals commission en kata wetinti media bre na nanoma trankunya wo Sama boy ni patem se of the pending application document bi man na nanom so mo nhwem na omo hu se sai dumakura di disui ebeba Sama boy ni patem abaye adwuma. In the first place, a contaminants abaha abaye adwuma. Asai Tanonume Forest Reserve Nibia. President Ankasa warning say a sector minister enko no nko pa omo film. A contaminants e kan say adwuma ko ehu. He say a contaminants e Sama contaminants say or pending application document a minerals commission etitim kata de bre community na. Hey has a film kaka. Number 2, a contaminants free Tanonume Forest Reserve on coil but that was Sama boy or equipment adwuma off reserves no aside the forest reserve or yes more of reserve and no one dancing. Tano river na yin shi asebe yes anuma nanka that ye nananom ye wo ye ba ye de ekua e wo sama boni mpatem no samre anase Tano river me enu ni nyina ase e de nti na seye akontama nko ya girema otu dalamsi ameno kase endra nyina na akontama ze guso ye adwuma e wo sama boni mpatem but on we atano nume forest reserve nti say president kase asa endra no akontama say engage wo illegality na ya sesem kaka because oyi forest reserve ne kwa to nchen a river body is also a red zone.
It's a red flag.
It is akontama as at endra na so ojina Tano river bank no ho ye adwuma enti president the so ka try say o wa tickets if we car ho a ye hu say car we wo dia. Is that what they are telling the whole country? Say akontama say say what to me our tickets from the excavators and the vehicles no issue. And I tell you, even when you go to the cities or with national security is near them, they have embossed with pickups and answer cars or movies. Or when it comes to summer, but they are using vehicles which are even tinted inside. And is that what we want to tell our people? Say the constitution want to be turned over to favor a little people or what?
Emmanuel Labi, Mami Musa, we say, what reaction from President Asemi Usama Boy youth, any leadership and Omanhene Yaw, and what has been the reaction?
In fact, the reaction in Sama Boy is that we are very disappointed in our president. We are very disappointed because Asemi Bayi. Nanke ya shwehwe atentene ne be ye adwuma nkasa be wona ye two of kokogu ye omo etuo keka omo during the clash between the community and akontamans no nkasa be obi otutuo ne kwa nko police custody aye asem nhwehwemu but up to now nobody have been found culprit and was some aboni pattern. In fact the reaction here is that the community is very disappointed in the statement of our president, and we are expecting a president and Kasampo Betu, Nawabasama Boabashe the Ecoso. If indeed he claims a contaminant involved in making illegality, then you to me and a percent common Kasantu number because sector minister Baha, the results are not the same. They come and go back and report what they did not even do.
Emmanuel Labi, me that say. Okay. Mama, you are just showing you Yaw. What you ma? What you Omanhene? What you Kanashibe? What can I say quickly?
I want that maybe I say we just say no. Before say President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo baby ayaba beduru ewo galamsey issues ne eja yakwa akodi bro nyaba asem nifie asem we die nka president eja de ma bia the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources be ebia ne Minerals Commission CEO be EPA boss be momo ba be cancer asem ya nka no kre kebeboa pa since ono mu ena konta baby ano ogina no me kai pa say Catholic Bishop Conference for at the Krata Babontin
September 2022
me kai ma ye ne omo president edi nkomo e wa fidie we yaso from Sunyan enyu baby na papa ne church yen ensemu omo call say sania maniema ni ade a enti if he say president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo
me pray ne ho ana
akuta sana meka no na me hunu say na opese or react to Kenasibi.
Why?
Because na a day before na say sa dana nana Kenasibi de krata koma IGP or ma petition IGP yankoche chama untumi yankoche ne chama yankoche eti ehwan hi kakra wonimu ena waba behia no waba behia sa nipa no so
ena event na so asaka asem
ehwa so na sa nipa na ka asem no na ono so na ye chairman for the occasion event no president no wase no it is already na de no kenken nyina wi o se Mr.
Let me quickly respond to the comment from the chairman. Why should the president respond to a comment from a chairman?
So it's be cranka in response to chairman no na nka me hwe ne mu se nyese bia me na be president ne on ka.
Yeah, but definitely say
nka me hwe ne mu se bia president e be sare assure yen Said near chairman okay no galamsey no mabasa mu ngoe miguso meko nemo mesramo mososo mo moame ye nyina journalist asofo wan mo nyina mo moame na ye nko sa akon no
mo bre so mpesa mo be kasa tenti wasi bibia ni ice cream silence obi antra be bibia se
wasi bibia ni wasi ice cream de bibia ni say Emmanuel Abi say Tano River no ni nchen forest kakra wo ho no akunta mine anope ya ono ye kase ya ni mfidi egu ha amata no nsuo no ahono eti se omampani so omungura nimri forest mu a de omu ye ne sesia no ose ye no kra ye illegal chain nimri forest no and obe can say
President Anado da
why would they inform no why would a man because definitely president thrives on information
and akunta say ose akunta mining enye galamsey wo anywhere in this country
and grande hu no
o ka se bia e wo numri forest no mo na mo se oye no
and video no to so man video no
so also say anywhere in this country
let's hear the video the voice again please
o say anywhere in this country say bia me na mantini ye
we will continue to work to ensure that this situation remains permanent. This government is determined to win the fight against galamsey, no matter the cost in effort. Let me respond briefly to the chairperson on the issue of illegal mining. I want to assure him and all of you that Akunta mining is not engaged in any illegal mining anywhere in Ghana as we speak.
Okay. Yeah, trust me.
Anywhere in Ghana as we speak. Yeah. Baby, a president can say, Akunta mining, enye mining, ewo numeri forest or no mono mode petition akwa IGP, any other organizations impu ono president would be a brand say, yen kwachiche ma untumi so ye adwuma wo no a enka fine because a branch no crowd chanama to say forest ni omuni ho onye adwuma bia ho nemum ano no
off reserve
so
di gala
omudidi ho no mo the president can say anywhere in this country me sre forest ni de and I make us say president onye adwuma bia wo mayimu as we speak and then ya
the word is any
yes and ya ka say de onye adwuma bia wo ba bia wo mayimu eze bia chama untumi ye no Togo o ye no Cote d'Ivoire o ye no Burkina so but say information e ba ene yo amanfo Kenya say forest ni de onye adwuma wo mu nemum ano akonta so ade ehu e forest mu eye ano no so bedidi ano no wo se mpempi na bia se nsuo bi kra damu a etenea ebe pia no ekokobo fufurum and no start say o say ano no a
nsuo ntimi ma
yes ntimi ma
because the source of water na e wo deep forest no
yes
na atenea
ba
na e ba kakra bo hu na ye kakra
enti omo wo ebia nkronkro na wo ano no ebia e ho no mbekọ akọse
source of livelihood
so some be no ma no ma nom some de baby before fra no mo de akọ enti odo nsa ko kape na nkura waase ene forest na no ne ade ade nyina no omo nsuo so mo de ye aduane so mo de ye
oh just say me fee say ano papa no me can say na ensem bi ho a sechiamian ensem hini oh say already ensem no omanpanina by nature because of niema bi a course o memu hanomo he also became one person he was vilified
oh yes
amanfo gidie ni ahotoso a na wo ni mu economy mu ne sane na amanfo gidie wo mu no and then metima ka say president approval rating 30% kra be dia ma no enunti ama eniema bi wo hono mu a so ono so anhwe yi na ode ayi abufuo mini kasa a because kenaship eniema omo so ye ni nansen ya no oye party ni a officer ne kenaship be ada opeso oguye party no ana president should rise above.
But I could kenaship before no so timing was wrong. Adea we last year ton mo krata na de na mo hinkasa.
No, but it was after their investigation. No, Mufi said,
can I see Benusus Yanka being Cheromo? Sa coalition against the illegal mining. And yes, we are against no more, you know. But Usakota, Asem Sine, now Tenasia, Sam Nakwa. No, Kunyane Asem Nakwa day. President, I didn't see him because Sadi anyone, my president Bessia, the DC Sukumasi, Obesia National House of Chiefs Sukumasi, a court 2 4 honorable, a suspended yard, so as they say, yard, so you will be or didn't two animal. And no massacre. It is an ammo be bewitched. I don't know for Modiana Mamma president and I'm to know. I'm young uncle. So back I cry. Two for Christian and him for my a year. First. I am for no one and so on. Yes, what if I said this year or he need be a galam say cos war was I so I'm a bonnet over two, which is penny for to an amount now what now at the idea bunesi. Ade ade bio na esi enu can I see the name
boy Emmanuel Abimuna information man say odi ewo ano no
can I see be mu krata na chese odi wo forest inside mo so you are misleading us so can I see be nkrofo no you so mu misleading Ghana for about
their statement is also saying say enimri forest
mo statement na say odi wo say onkom forest odidi hu
illegally
it mo can I see be for ya mo petition mo so we twa tra kire Ghana for is it personal hatred to me and I said there it mo so no at times is a timing of certain
issue is also crucial.
It is assembly by no a wo kwose wuntumi mfidie ekose ne cars ne ade no e na mo de sa petition we e ba ya mo yadane de ama IGP yadane de ama the CID for national security for
and amonte ho hwe
and amonte ho hwe
na come reminding penning for say we send a petition. We have not heard anything.
It Ebia Kaimo, some refia. Can I see the
better late than never?
I could away in the better late with the net. Can I see the mail so so? I could tell you. 11 years ago, can I see be? I don't know. What's wrong with you? Voila. Can I see be? Can I see the ya?
On the telcos penny.
On the telcos penny. As at any of the 5th January.
5th January.
5th January. Talk ni buyen can I see be no dey yan can I see be una ye CEO of telecoms den anu dey yan krono na telcos na e boy na dey yan
because first January na buy
aye ti o ka busumi bia e yes adwuma
abai na sign 1st January say ye dey 11 about 1%. As I speak today they are still charging 1.5.
Yeah, the branya we adwin
akoti can I see be you too. You are reneging on your duty.
Oh, Juma, as we emphasize, oh, yeah, president of Telcos, association, no, oh, cry no, telecommunication. Say, will be na, Omianune, you see the one petition.
It is a 1 month, boy, I would be an Uber one issue.
I saw so cassette. More information, sir.
Journalist for me, Galam say, Biakuta unim. Journalist for me, Galam say, Biakuta unim.
Minimum.
I have for me, journalist. Journalist for me, Galam say, Chroma say, Bini.
Abra si media ni mo fa pinkas ye fa Sophie.
But I could timing of certain issues.
I always say as a personal course be.
Yes.
People are reading meanings. I said they won't to me now no more. No, but it's also so sad.
So it's stronger than a
also seen
stronger than a pattern.
Oh yeah, there. Oh yeah, part of this government I could say. If it had been any other person. Miss we want to say, Chama to me is a stalwart of MP.
Oh yes, big.
When he speaks with authority. Yes. The stronghold of Ashanti region of MPP on the chairman. Or Kasawa MPP more. You wait. Other than that, now man for painting kwase or say BMW Baumiamas win. Officer Obina Kaya.
O komufi.
MPP grant a can komufi. But to me more do.
Yes. Hey, Regina. oko MPP oko NDC omo de kuta dom in
terms of Ghana ha mutumi ma win elections
delegates ni ade
it will be executive wa ha
no neglect Ashanti regional massa forget e what there
on the mature enu ti na ma omo fi say 3.1 bi a wontumi ni pedigree any weight nti na bi omo yi omo ni a aso no nobody can touch me issue and na ma manfo ni akon but ono so e nkrata bi go abonten say owo nkrata na a pending you see there's there will be your more certificate your friends are prospecting now unfortunately Ghana ha onyaje prospect anu okọ ine o say ya mama yi se me mama ye ni meye yes ko hwehwe se agudie wo ha obohu anu asasa okọ untumi de no minerals lease no mineral lease no any mineral right no pending utie ma oso omo de akoma na ma trankunya se omo hwehwem ena sama about for ne say nipa no aba be say forest ne dada ena ma stop no but now you can't give him a pending a minerals lease and a mineral right you also unyama no saade no kra de ene
bara konta menu mienu so be kaya menu mienu nyina hia ene ohene ni kra hia wontumi emra no mu bie judges no ama o kira asem bi kira o say onye boni hu ever since omode sa area ne ma no ono kra ne ko inside ho ko ball minerals commission ne lands commission for man yes ade na omode be ma me no
obi adikai
kra dikai ho no mo a wo mo se asase no mo e de military ni ade ko ho na ntentam because boys no mo gu ono mo no yeso mbe ye adwuma na dwonom ni ade eto ono hu ntumi no ene ne nkrofo no omo susu ne jaw se gala to gala ntonim ni nuanom omo tatis ni ade ene omo boya na omo clear omo efri sa area ho eti in omo ayi effort so omo de clear omo no ene ejo omo didi kakra ho no mo eti omo court attack omo no oso yi ni niam nyina afri ho no omo nsi ho no mo bio besine akoto confirm sa de we etrel but asa ye card ye ne sa se wuntumi aso odin aboro so se even kra no order ne bai se onyan no wabu president erimtia that is kenasi be mu petition no omode aba no e pa kire ye hu sa se wuntumi emu president o mu pani bia okroma ahemfo otumfo no mo kasa no nyina no omu wo mo still oda so te forest ni mu eye adwuma but emra issue ni sorry ye no wuntumi ba bonti be kire mu say before so obekọ forest ni mu no necrophobia dika onu ka na ko pam omo
no omo ye enu na so allegedly wuntumi nkrofo so kase Samatex mpanimfo bi
yes no mo so mo
allergy gala
eno omode
na enom say ekro no Samatex ena
good
omuma ekro na duane die ni ntino ena omo pese omo yes
e boys na chi
ebe di omo no duane nti omo pene to whether illegal or not to protect how true that is also another thing
eti ya say omo ye ne kenasi benum pese omo kire say wuntumi no mu obi akro mu no entisa untumi ever since asansem no asiye yinesi wo no say yentan no akota debi
so is stronger than a time
debi at least we kwa de untumi we die untumi akota we die untumi for once
forest
Emmanuel
be confirm say
oni ho
Emmanuel a leading member but Emmanuel mo so kire say still out akosia o se ano no wan we nipa no
na kotiakotu
was one piaso
akosia ma mi bia o chibo fruit na ba akwato fom na kola bia fa kola o de yedo se me prapra ho ato akona
na we
ezo buawu agobedi
oda bega me
o prapra ho ato akere all right me feel say Kanashi be so immediately on Shena telcos no because
no mo boy kro no
Adea ehu pa
onyo na dwuma yesu so
asatenra now they are yet to charge 1%. Enra
1% ni adwuma
enra momo we momo be 5,000
brofu bi na o kan no say friends calibration
now realize say shell
bedi bosomi
ada you know yenya to petrol ma no my calibration
oma kekesi
ya tiso a obekọ say yenya calibration cobra this is exactly what the telcos are doing which is wrong
Ghana dey etumu a
communication minister Oslo usu onhuyana. Because he is in charge.
Ghana card
Ghana card
can go tintini. Ghana for 4
days
register Ghana card.
4 days ya wunim sika omubenya 4 days.
From the area my.
Om de bema hwan.
And I be say om de bema hwan.
Yanti collation.
Yanti collation.
Concern bra
concern e-levy anti-deduction.
Akwaso ya be kobi.
Ya be ko.
Utum se bla e no ma
o matere pa na ni abere.
Dabio. And no transaction because so.
Akota no kre.
E buy o de hear me. Let me show you
e-levy
something.
1.15%.
Let me show you something. You'll be surprised. Okay? When you do a year charge, 100 Ghana cedis. Fee charge 1 Ghana tax. 1 Ghana a fee tax. 1 cedi 50 pesos. So 2 cedi 50 pesos. So it means even threshold now 100 Ghana cedi now yen tieno. Se siano enu mom juma. But parliament so anye antum say threshold yen free. So why is the government also charging tax? Because the threshold is first 100 yen to.
You know, is a abansu buyen.
And Omajiatum say parliament and play both MPP and NDC are more man any threshold no. It is first 100 now in the NT. It is will be a first 100. Next year tenwa. Like I say, buying Adea the call parliament say it's working. How?
So you to bra.
Well, what do you maso?
So be wuna so oye o momo. Na sika wo so. Bia na busuafo.
Ase we no akofa ba. Ase we no akofa ba.
Bia mewu.
Ase we obi a watie me from.
Bia nim se sika bi wo so.
Ohini.
Se sika no. Ya de bebra ban anase ya na wo de busuafo anase.
Make a car ya wo se ankrofo so bobo se omuntua.
CID Manso Dubia DC was send you a bintu hwe.
That was a reason somebody gave me. Unimade.
Because mo ana sade na be so pia wu na wu su momo na wu sika wo so.
An act to amend the electronic transfer fee levy 2022 to reduce the levy on electronic transfer to 1% to provide for the filing of returns, the time for the payment of the levy and say I act. So it has taken effect 1st January. Parliament ajatum. It was by 4th. I was 1st January. 1% in the year juma.
Blast asem am dia betu dwa wie hwehwem.
Me say oyini. What do I can say? Eh kama. Oni masem no. Fan say me wo 20,000 wo me phone we so. Enunti na ya na me ka say o partner. Mani hunu pi.
Hu betwa bia ma.
Agotano de.
Any time
because ya me ba. Let's take it say. Let's take it say. There were 20,000 businessmen. Today they do a lot of transactions. Or 50,000 Ghana cedis. Or concrete. And our hornma when you mouse stroke and heart attack. Wow. So 500 million no.
Agotanya be ho ban.
The embassy busa na say. Oko MTN next of kin. Ebia wa tro udin o. MTN no, Vodafone know your pin. But how would you know say sika no ewo? Why na ni kuru wu ye ni phone? Utumi mo. Enu akọ hu say 100 million down so.
Galali nyina lock gu so. Ubeden no wabie.
Phone wo dia.
Waba no so 70 di mesi.
Na phone wo dia. Phone wo dia.
Eyo muso ka ho bi so why. Any badani FBI ni. SF for phone CID phone.
Ade.
Bibia abese mu hunu.
Say akotaka MTN ni Vodafone phone come first.
Because I didn't know.
So ba be hu pin MTN.
Oh Vodafone phone fa. Any MTN.
Ya abu ama.
No, but asem na ye kan san ewo akosia.
Ye can so be there ho.
Because I get careful so aho. Abrante bi owo telco so aho ye bad.
Oh yes.
Onim say phone way erane pa.
Say aye din.
Afa ba 2 months nim. Obetima fa number na frɛ fie.
Eh nada me
Na
tin
pacho ayi Mr. Reverend Paul. Pacho onye wa me fine. Openi kusi
Tofia kwatri me catch.
Nya Tofia kwa.
Yo.
Yeti.
Check it out.
Yeti Mr. Nsian catch us. Oh. Mr. Nsian waka baby oh. Oh, sorry. So wo no pin no nim say 20,000.
O say di wa widie.
Obi kind of crunch say wo Ghana how.
No correct.
Me see nipa bu obi on man 500 million.
Na da so.
And a done momo so omo de business merchant for no. Nipa na ka baby. Abusia no sam na ekwa bi akola school fees kra no. Eden enso ni kru sika da ho. Let your wife or your partner know your pin.
Yes.
Akota me password the party me de be
I'm not talking about password.
Me pin.
Momo pin.
Akota me momo pin. Me momo pin me de be me yere nkam for na Vodafone phone first can.
Hey, for me the see ano mo chiamo. Na me ma me papa opani ajeku mu ache. Obia ma bye. Yes. Ye be ka mu asem. E kira ye be ka mu asem.
Max honorable ye be ma fe kata chi nche no pe na no fra me ma me fishia pa. Ya me nchira pa.
No,
okay. Ya chiamu nyina. Bisi ya chiamu nyina mama bai. Na me producer say Honorable Lord Nana Tando MC for Memphis West Summer Boy. Me producer Ebo Pin Lord Nana Tando MC Memphis West Summer Boy. Senka yenye the reaction. Oso onkasa. MC is one kasa. The president who the party nye galamsey. The MC accuse wo galamsey obeka sa hasababa. Opening the pump to surface ya pa.
Nyame dumo.
Bibi aboko.
Nyame dum wa hinu popro.
Ya da oba de.
Nyame dum.
Some go apro so abeto aye kan. E na ye hwe. Aya kamya ye so man mu no. Ye hyemra. A chance and a bimu de mrana yejuma. Hotel cost for the AI. They are yet to implement 1% levy charge. Parliamentary approval. 1st January. Uko DVLA. Kobusa insurance. Yeah, increasing. Registration of cars. Yeah, increasing. Across board. Abai last year 15% across board. Afiwe. Kosa Okocha roadway di neshe. Tax fee fixing of fees. Fee fixing be buying the core budget mono. 1st January are taking effect.
Okay.
Income tax. Bosomi we swan. Income tax are buying my threshold be why you reduce to be no. We are Juma enia ebe Juma. Now they tin na yen dia mikoye mombo. Na yesimu my 1%. Trot for yet petrol so amusio. Spare parts e bo cost so engine oil cost so engine so they have do maybe a better so the phone na dollar was so about for mom say you were all stock you ton we are you be who dey be e ya come here say the indiscipline and leadership no so e ya touch ma you touch me no you hwa contact minds and me papa any kind but me tell say na wo initial comment bi e dey be tudwa ansana ya adwumadi asa ye hwe lawyer William Kusi kwan sanso na Mr. Eric Abuaje so ye hwe ne kwan ma mentio
yo Omanhene anopai meduase na mabu abaso say maybe dwumadi no life ewo kwaso ye friend say information center.
Oh, lovely.
Enti kwaso ejoso kwaso information center benifo yebo mo abaso udru esieni pon ejoso ni nyina nti mengonwa we ekire ejumason awudi o platform no eson papa ko ekiri na ansana ye ko break last year 2022 no mesrei sɛ afi onyame di adom na sɛ wɔde yɛnkwa kyɛe a wɔ dwumadie yi so no bɛbɔ mmɔden sɛ mede articles a metwerɛtwerɛ no ebiaa bɛdi asɛm no anim kan na asɛntire nso so a yɛde agu apono so no yɛtumi ayi no serɛ ne abasa na yɛahwɛ na ma me mmoa bɛdwafoɔ nso aba so wɔma mmani agye paa na mmaa no ho yɛ mwanwa wɔm ka sɛm a na ɔmu ayi wɔ mu anim ka sɛ wɔ no ma yɛ adeɛ ɛnɛ topic a wɔmo discuss no sorry wɔmo ama asɛm no ani ada hɔ yie paa ɛnɛ nea mede free afe 2023 no the first article me say 2023 socio-political article written by Apostle Paul Kofi Ejikum. Date Wednesday 4th December 2023. Topic acquisition of property without proper documentation. Matumbo ase ayuhemu ehunu se omen yade bi ye dienya. Omanfo aye dwumaden esemfifre nya sikapuduo aye japade a bebre no nto ombo ase nyenkrata. Ebi de ye car omuda so ne na monten so a change of ownership emai ebi nsi efie ejapade awude bebre bi ensase na ewo nsunsanso ede matimemufo se yesem fifire nya sikapudu akoye japade ne yanto ebo ase anye ho krata na no ho article anamatro na we de yentimi mfa ho so bo nkobo politicians ese educate masses no public no o manma no se onipa bia wo sem fifire a sika na wanya na ye umoja sika na be exchange of your blood enti se wanto bo ase anye wajapade a wato first of all so hunu se ne awto free ni nsem no we rightful owner on ade ne dia so ate abruchire so ate Ghana
so the how be
na matchere implications se wom emrem oto ade free obi nsem tuaka wanye receipt ana wanye transfer ma odimu a simply echiresa ade ne nya odia edaso ye ne dia BBC a obefa nto manfo nhye no so we ka mawi anasa ana mengangan but me go through. All right, I am very worried about how Ghanaian citizens carry huge sums of money to invest into properties without legal documentations and proper transfer of ownership.
They bring a verbal contracts.
That's right.
On any year, oh, if you were Otumini also would actually now I enkrata.
That's right. And yes, Minchuano BC a war a year a sempeni pedumedies. Na abobo yan sembi a BPM.
That's right.
Na woman bisa baba and say number boy and number is onim.
No boy, I may say Nipa be a number car number cry. Onim car ni we ya obi na call license man no any ade ho sensem nyina so license call ni dim change of ownership krata na be si na kra no ohunu bi on the car na no otwe asemba ho a no okopen krata afi nipa kro no otoma no a okwa se car no yenya nya change of ownership ka wura no kra so wawu safi na akoye nsem pi
so na efakese no ye kenka kro ni bi mfakese no free institutions a e o masede so bi to ajapade a wo mo hwe se yasesa din no ya na kwan yomfa so mo ye o mo niam na emu ye yudududu e ye ngonran enti e frustrate nipa no
obu okoba ko mienu
obeja kire die
e te se so asase o ko lease.
That's right.
Na bia o hini en nech na
so
jiwe obi pendencha obi bi ho e be chinia fe bedu ma bi na be mo bo se kire
e kire no ajai
obeka kire o but dachi.
So, in Dimetuasua, me say most property owners do not have rightful ownership of properties they have paid for. This means the sellers of such properties are still the legal owners of the property, even though it has been sold. I believe the time has come for the media houses to design specific educative programs to enlighten the public about the need for legitimate transfer of property ownership.
Okay. You fancy her?
That's right.
Na asema o se epe edapa na etra so.
That's right.
Na nkofo because asema make bebre bu okwa ye boss sesi a dimrike ko hwe the papers.
I no crepa.
So dimrike ko hwe the paper afa no hu se ohunu.
So ebi ne na wo ka phone
ha.
Yes.
Ehemfa na da.
So
you should de abetodwa akontamani omampani nana danko kufuado kasa. O kan esa akontamani is not engaging any illegal mining anywhere in Ghana. Omo some boys say there be a woman say oni nimri forest. Ebi nso fi say a man for the time be ma want to me your time. Obi e Canada. Ni nyina ye say Ghana. Ye be tu galamsey aye illegal no. Small scale mining is legalized.
Right.
I say good year too. The campus. The mobi krata near castle small scale miner Ghana hayajitum. They mo galamsey gather and sell no there.
Right.
Yampreso.
Right.
Omampani kasei eboa ono ane kon no anase fan bi so no etwe ne sign anase de waka no no kura wo mse omuni ho de na emom se ne osika no no sana ne wo so ka no mami ti ono pe
bedo asepa pa na akonta mine ho nsem a abedadwa sisi mampanyin soso ede nanu akotumbia kwambi so wanto no bo ase ahwehwemu na nanu akopa begidi say yewura untumi ne company ana ho nsem nyina nso ya monitor na kakra hwese ne esitie nia ekire ne say o mampanyi ankasa as a person no nimfie mienu a akansa na ofri akonya so no sankabeye yi a onto no boase na ompe obi a obetumi aka no kora kire no etu no fokukom if you say in recent times no opre no ho ewo nsem bi ebedadwa obi nim ne obrifu no so obeka ya ansan ye beko akodi bronyei BBC a ne fa bambo ho asema okọ US ko kai
Côte d'Ivoire there. Burkina
Faso. And no say
was National Security Minister
Kopacho.
Kopa military junta chao.
So
civilian government.
So it's not the best. Enya di enye buo ye bibia wan kasa se mampanyin no wo manfo a udi yeso na de nguase ebetu yeso. Efie de yebebu ya ni aguso chopio bi ya ma sane abekan bia no afa nwadi o nanso abonten so kire ne ekoso se ida say ni ankofo ke kanse papa na tintintintin ontie futu no ebetima true ebedim so a kire se bi nso a wo mo eben no gi akatua didi kwa wo mo tuna futupa na wo kan asem bi wo si wiase asem bi o ho a eso chiamia no sa pepepe na tie asem bi o ho a esakoa no akonya kasie bi te se mampanyi akonya enya akonya ketwasa eni se wabeye mampanyi na hwe ni onyam da bia metaka se mampanyi bie ni ho a oman no ata na chi esim sa mampanyi wonya akonya kasie pa nanso eba na wieye no minim ne ekro wahu sana na nyankwadafo no na em wo fonfomo se de beyo untimi hunu bedwom kasa no eno ne omo a wo ye panyi a wo fomo a omo nkanche no mo sososo
na nyankwada
wo mu din na nyankwada wo mu ho ahomtie o se wo onyame de usi dibia no monyam ewom na wanhwe ye
na wo ka se ayi bootlickers
yes wo mbebre wase if you say wo ne wo siri a wo kanfo wo mfumso nyina mu no wo dan ho an wo afro obi se he wura no se huna wo die enti wanim na ho so na chese ne yebese ye no na aseye wi a wo ye ho hwe a enye ye enti megidi se papa no obehwe biribi ye na oba eye wowura no a company ne dia no a eye suban bi a megidi se okura wana man you say mo enti frefro time no na se suban ye frɛ no kwa anasa simdifi opren hododo eno onto no boaso woni kasem enyo ono nko na eye mining adwuma yi bia ehu abasem ade no ono nko an no manfo atu omani asi ni so ejina efribribi bibia nko kan papa enye grade onto no hofo nesa ne chairmanship no 4 years no ende no office obekọ nani wa man yosemu apredibre bia wonhwe ni subani yi efri se siasia de ngomasua kra na eka politics anka wonka amba so no dan su biribinchi ebia sika binti na abedi unsem ekwan a ofaso a ne chairmanship wa Ashanti region oni nipa edili no ofrefre time na ho na tisana na meka mampanya asem onye obi a nani afia odi ne kura obetim de na transe atunfo ebi nso onti afutuo enu nti na amba sa asem we baaye no ho ye bebre aba ho a omanfo titi ono nko ane de se aso ono nko na afom no ifiri ono ane suban nti yesere omanfo se sa na me yehwe ne ye woni nipa bi ne bom ye adwuma wan hwe o limit and attitude or actions towards them edu ba bia BBC a obia be soretiaw oh na akoye bibia ewo ho ne nia ekeke ka ho in recent times okoye bi sama jombodi hu nsem omokoto aba ene no okwa so se mampanyi na afre no aveye no be wi ase ne tse nyama mampanyi kra na fre no odi ni nkunim kumase ya no odi mirika yeso okọ sa ne ma we nyina no we ya wagene be ye o we powerful wagene be o se wo influence but integrity respect you are losing it o lose respect well we be ni Papa Rollins anyway Papa free muti so obi kra timi boni din eko onti ye aman yosem a ye nhwe se ye de bema nipa ye ni nipa ntem asem no ebuo ne ani die awo ho amadachi bi no se bibi kura kosi a obi atimi ahwe wa ho brase wubuo wani die na ne kan ye hu se ne ebisi e de ato ne nkoba se ho shinti na ase nipa yi uma de bi asasa na nye
if you mining no in itself baby idea kodro sesia reverend na eba se ebi mu wa adwene se ase aban no nkrofo no ontumi entia wo mo eno na ama eko a uswaye no agiguye
no kwasem
because ekọ wi ase na obati party penny way obati penny way eka ho in recent time a obepam ono akra ne ayi this year ya dan so a suspension kra be si ne and audio nyina ba e so o ka kire obi say mine no ya we mean be se me 10% wo mu ni ade eti emma eko no sentrefo so mu pa o edru me bi ne ensemanko office ye si afifu from going forward e dia na mo na wo say obampani no a ne na pamfo etu a ebema Ghana fo anya hotoso say ye kokon because Galan say there enya adi oman no we can quantify some
Omanhene de tie ne se ensunsa so a eye galamsey illegal mining no ede bema Ghana no ni ayehunu ni sa echire di a eba no ebedosun aseni ayehunu enti no satie bia no esese ye ne aye wonkwa a ye tia sesa tiasefo oman ma no esese obia wo hu biribi no esori ne ye hu biribi ntem enti sa enya brochirefo abroche de otin baby opa no beto gold opa no beto koko ade bia wa wo de hu do man wo so be se no no fa ho de mum ensunsan so a illegal man de ma yensuo yensase ene emframa ye home no se yanso anu ntem na yetena ho a ebe hadwen na yeso anu no mimi gidi se ebe hia bansesa kire se wohwe gidi a ne ye wono na nado dankwamu ane nim se anye bia corruption de wo de beba fom na tumi bedi papa yi nsemu a sabi ankoye NDC opposition for ane di akotene ewo illegal money mo ono ane nkofo enti nei so obegina banten ebe san ba akutikura se wonim bibia na chese wokura woni munyam na adegura topre on the basa na ne kanu ayedin onye minister wo emampanyimu a yanka so adi trana na kwa bibia wo enye fe enti no ono no sande asi akoduro no oni political will to deal with illegal money now ebe hia bansesa si pese yemi ani bre pass ye beto akoso na yabo ye homodin si yebetimi asia no a abansesa ho behia papa abansesa se political party korea na teso kura enipa ye involve na nado dankwamu no aban mu no ensase ye mo eba ye jomtum because they can fight it
so from your angle no if I understand you abansesa no just say bia
wokofa party foforo debi
nemom within the party.
Exactly.
One more money in the boom mine.
Of course. That's right. You hear the political. We are decent.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumiani, Alan Ye, Ako Prenier. Okay, you got it. They say, see, I cried on Unia Bemu Pew. And I can the Japan normally had it. And also so a moon in a moo. 2 years and there's Alan Baumiade, where you were my free mo.
And you've been the commentary. Yetian say, me who the papa Alan that's who I been. So, are you serious? So, person, oh my Ghana, dear, need to so bit my baby bois. By now, a uncle resign. Now, upper sponsorship. Now, Oshas, say, or the new message, Eba, Sabaya, Adea Akye Abia, a breastone, a good anymore, the message in which my clear. I didn't know that's for sure. May I believe in serious politicians. And to me, some be a can Ghana say, you know, Mentiasia, send ye the Yai. If you say, and soon so bonia, and near my ye jaja and the sa, edi, and your may mudia be ya really ya may, ya better be so none might be oh. Enti a brand we do say a serious politicians are after 64 years or so. Won't bet him twice so there's some kakra if it's a niama and go yesa and yet and then wouldn't monsieur cry whistle. BBA ya liquid beer ebebia ensure dia koten ye de ensure so fa efri fa aden ye de nwa brosa na ne ya ne say gold no anya free galamsey mu no eso mfa so ni paketu bi na nya aden ye ma ni paketu bi selfishness nti simply because of so mu aben mu say aniama he ayi ni o papa hwe 2002 free 2016 political articles are mature nyina ni ma compile media booklet na ma start for ba kokra de me kasafa the entire personally me recommend the MPP and Nana do Dankwafo 2016 na me dia beto to nei say nei ya ka me recommend o mobile de nyire say you face facts and truth and we say it as it is without fear and favor because
within MPP do you have somebody you see sir can change the tides?
Oh, media, let me tell you, I don't pretend, and everybody who knows me knows me. Se sabri sanya kene de Japan de yin anymore. I can lose trust. My take that man for granted. He can change something.
His presence gives you trust.
I'm telling
back
you.
In Ghana.
I'm telling you. And me encouraging the pa. E shemasi nyina say. Ebe year. Let's try him.
Canada, Japan.
Of course. And then people are very careful. A sensitive a ipa no do so no. So munim no man yourself to a boom woman take papa no ebe hadwini. So mo de be man no so mo fama no woman deal with him in wisdom. Because o mama no gidi wonu.
Thank you. Mr. Eric Awaji Papa Fishapa. Biampa fiwe wa humanim. Engasa.
Akukon to bejo.
Miana meka. Now for to say
nyame adom me ho.
Ya
ma fie abetomia. O san de me komanim. Na ni kai.
Always looking young.
Ye tiefo nyina medam wase. Ne mpai pa amode gina machiri. Ebo ma station ebo ma me ni mabusia fu. Ni me nyuma nyina medam wase. Na em say ye ko leaf no. Omanhene anka nkyere ye say be break you. Dakoro wa ya wa de duru ye bobol no one fm nsi say no betesi obi ka say ansa na ye be ko break no ye me ni ye wa na foin
na go why asaso light
mercy ye tete ya oh na de me no ko che bru atasim
no baba yam share ayi akonta man o man penny statement no na Emmanuel Abi, a leading member of the Summer Boy team. Honestly, a woman said, the Omanhene kind, a woman said, Akonta mining is not at the Nimri Forest. But, oye illegal mining, a chronic tia or muka once. It is the Omanhene kind, it's not wholly true, say, he is not engaged in illegal mining anywhere, no, you see, no, and Tessa. Kenashigbe Moso de Krata kwa IGP was here and Chiwomona. Abrante and Daso Nimri. And on the Mount Penny can say Oni is not doing anything. But Akoba say Akofa Chinu Ashu Bibriaba. Enya Kunta mining kwa. There are so many companies are supposed to go through. So Ebi Mufi say na Sakasa no shouldn't have come from the president. Mamintio, here we are. The second issue is telcos. Abino Ade Mraba, why act at to her pump say effective 1st January by law, only 1%. As at and still they are charging the old price, and it looks like Sabia and Kamwasep. Mamintio Baba.
Yo, any Mendoas na Akonta mining, Numbre Forest, President, Catholic Bishop Conference.
That's right.
Sompa 93.1.
Manuel Labi. Mbwana.
And
Sama boy mine.
Sama boy for.
Omanhene so
Omanhene. That's right.
Omona say ni a all kind of cre ni a on kind of cre no. Abeto amanfo animu. Ananye nti a wemu ano.
Ano no. Yeah, no boni na tofa.
Me dey say we are. Na say ye wo Ghana hey. Adea yentimi enhunu ya edi eniyama eba nyina ne say small scale mining ene galano de say untumi galano enye ni nyina na ye illegal say de fi say obi a wo to gold a wonka AGC no ne big company ho eye galamse so oni me ya dwene sa ko ba bia na ko bi so obi asa na oka nenso no ukomre mu a wo mo achim say we rim the amom license or mon sense ase the we rim the amom ya ma wo no mo sense ase any tia wa no say ne me hu no
ya man kwan so
ya man nkrata say wo de ko to gold say asase na kwa mensa de ya man nkrata no no anam no so to be enso say asase
so here that time
and where do we go?
Okay,
this is from me and my opinion. I am research finding obi betimi aba abeka asem foforo ebi omu a well and you pay on sema.
Okay.
Enti me can say ya echinyuachi wo mo kanyina no ya cancel ni nyina. Otimase.
But you say.
So Ghana ha nsuo ben na wohwie nsuo gu baby ye tie kapoti so. Ne esane ko efom ha e ba ko piepum. You need treatment plant baby ya. Enti we be ka say small scale miners de omo ya engogu nsuo kasim ene ko egugu nsuo kasim ene so yi glamse fo lo mo na na ene ko ene ni nyina ye ni ene system ye dikri ni ye nsuo ansa na akugu epum ni ye wonsu kase wo Ghana ha be na ase numu a omo empty into the Atlantic Ocean e carry nsuo from Bolga from your friend is saying wale from Bompata from Bia if you see a wo ye ba esem na ye dware ene enuradi ekokosu nyina annam sansu nkogupum. There's no treatment plant anywhere.
Sompa 93.1
entinye se nsuo na ni ye ko no ene kire se wo ko no a wono poison ni nyina ye polluted. And number a woman in an fisheries department they buy the research findings about for the past 20 years. Senior and number a won't see more and kayen ye source of protein a depleted
extinct here.
Extinct here. Came from Cochet a guni a damo a toto. And in your more TH Kenyan and make or boy fianco, mitrimo a yampia and yet to 20 more meba more Kazakasana, Mamma Yamanica, or be any who to me discriminating between, differentiating between small scale legal licensed miner and a non licensed miner. The cumulative effect, they say, one woman enti wohwe utie nia kanashwe ka say yewura Akonta mining company and others. Who are the others?
What that is?
Somewhere labi no unso can say or mineral commission e the letter koma samra boy for no omo hwehwem
pending
Akonta plus. Who are the other?
Why are they also silence on
them?
Yes.
Is it political persecution?
No.
And we must be fair.
Because we have mentioned Akonta mining. Why others?
Yes.
Also, Kasano, we say Akonta mining and others. Ade Ghana Akatua Ghost Libres and that's what we
others don't need to buy. To me, minimum others. There's others I know.
That's right.
For others in the car, near who know what Munina, since some be single out. If you know about Mochi. And to me, a honor or more politicizing as usual. Oh, Emma, or more a painted Ghana as a failed state. For which
it's dangerous.
Very, very, very dangerous. Our politician will be a company yaka table. I say, yeah, Ghana politics. Yanka tribal. And so be any sort of trouble on tribal lines.
Of course. Of course.
Yeah. Tribal. Was sorry. Wahofe. Me saying any lady how people. Let's all from the tribal. A cater for origin, you crew, you bibia, ancestral, and your money, social, what were the Nina come. Maybe you free. And so,
Oko boss, I see. Yeah, tribal.
Yeah, Cotraba. Oko fat, Papa, we did your records from 92 to date. Tribalizing. And so, Untumingo can't answer. Because look at it, to you like Mate political party. Me sika yen Ghana for ye demanded sika from politicians. Of course, stadium there be a call supervise elections.
Yes.
Bisan send is chiche sika senchiwe. And send obi akoto aba. Onu bakro first can way. And say sika no a sponsors ni dey ba no. Me a me meji akopetu mi no. Ba bia akofa no free no me nya investigation san no maso mu.
Sanity.
Otima say
Gauta Ganama. Pentem.
Tetem. No agye no de ko
na we afi de ono so bedi di ho afi na abebusa bebi okofa bai
yes serious
it's as simple as we say yes serious ye nyina ye nim enso you do ho ne ya kan ye nsa hwe oh ye nim ho hwe ase ne nkofo di sika obi ye minor obi kura ne ma machines e ba Ghana ha wantua duty contracts ne ne ma nya just odbebo abo political party Ninyina is as illegal.
Of course.
Affected the well-being of the Ghanaian.
That's right.
So, me say, Cassia abanton. See, you can't be priced each other. Them has say, Sika handcast.
Aban cast.
Aba.
I will hope.
Over sorry to William.
5,000.
I will hope.
V8 car V8 5,000.
There be a buy a dim fee no more package you na kuzi fitem near ton 5,000. You turn 5,000 ya koshe ne dia besi near ton 600,000.
Wow.
Yes.
And most of garages be brave politicians there.
Wow.
Garages be brave politicians.
Wow.
One more front
confiscated vehicle phone.
Debbie one more front mutunton my friend say
agents.
Debbie rade mekai omo auctioneers no more could certificate atoso no more ko omdu akwa interview vite sam be na ato ni every cry ni abele sadeko we kwa na ban na bo ho ka a oye engine no more pia de ko no more enti Ghana had se wo ka se ko hwemu a enye galam safe yi nko na make se obi start political party a wo hia moa baby am one be free abana se ne menu ye ne wo kra ye adwene ho ya wo ka bi wo besom wo som de koye wie anye yi a waboka
na be sintidua
na senchi no macheche na ba enti ye limit no back to galamsey na say yentimi the effects of license mining and non-license mining the bottom line and I didn't hear me near bringing a destruction of our natural resources a mood you are here and say your natural resources
Nina
and here the cotton near Hesike free gold no muba na see a when I say a yet God
there are people who are calling for a total ban.
Enti wo brofo wo gold ndi e hye enti o say na yetu na pe kra waka na e
we gold ni de
e say me ba me no ya de yebetu, but yebetu with the hope say ebe improve the quality of the life of the Ghanaian.
Ti say e massa.
Destroy ya. Faso bi
me say I think na me kan article bi. Gold the Ghana. Pa na she Ghana ha no. Yen 15% yo. Any akamu.
Yeah, they say hui.
And so we are aware. 15-20%. Yen tui.
They have not even passed.
Eko.
Bia bi wo ho.
Yes mo.
Na him for na bi nie. Edu time bi time ye oboko no. Na nika kra untumi nye bi na ade ayemaburo. Ni nyina ayemabo. And so we can galamsey odi aba forest odi aba start ye west.
Wow.
Baby ya popo biya wo Ghana baby nsuo wo Ghana ha biya gold tia.
Yes mo.
Enti si ani brea emu 15 or 20 poni yetu na yenya nsuo no mu. Enti technology e wo se yedi betua ebe me ho atoye ne a afei scan e free gold mu so ba ye betimi enya monitoring authority be mana monitor me ehu ni age ho correct tax ni ade aye oman no. But as it is, when you go to a lot of places senior one more account for the proceeds from gold mining no.
Yeah.
And you find out Chinese you wash your friend say almost say baby your friend no kwan finfin. And what you we are the about TVC our beton.
Brebi e mo ato so ranche bi ba ha. Omo ye excavator operators ni ade omo koye adwuma wo East Africa gold. Omo ye very good. Now one was telling us say Omanhene ye call ne hwe aban no abina miners area no abina AC hospital ho abina creative market ho abina involvement and our almost about 50% of small scale miner no concession de amano no and abina was supervisors ho eti omo boa ma utu na abina nyamfaso de akoye oman ni ye etu enkrofo tu mine ni wi a abina chefa nti no omakwa mamu ye na reclamation of the land ne ade nyina no oye so much involved.
That's right.
But ye jai
fa koto nchai bidi wase fa koto nchai akontew omo ka ho no omo nyina adi omo ehunu adekra aban kwan aban be fa so na say dem say the priority ni say obe clear miners out of forest reserves.
That's right.
But that doesn't solve the problem.
It won't. What about the off reserves?
Well, off reserves are you walk in a country in TTS. Yensas likram in enye dwuma. Me mo bidin obi by authority bi by ombe katakata. Amna Chinese for etuoso. Hwe confusion e de baye. Hwe millions oni pakro nyaye. Hwe ne owu ye ne access a okodi declare. Mne komi forest commission. O ya we. When it be sano and crowd a sancopy special prosecutor nim kwam ye na japadi ni ne ekase no bia miana no enti enye Adea ye betimi the Catholic conference any we aka na sa atro kan asovo ape escape goals bi o se ye trase oh na ye ma ye tik strong committee be 6 months no mo de bibi babontene ni ye faso ni ye hwe nene no ohia ne nkwankome wo oman mu nti obi bo modena so oye bibi man nsa akona no aban no suro so obeka se wonyaye ojaye wonya bi obese ojaye amenya bibi ma enso ye tiwi asi krobie ni hwa aban no nkoa na famu nipa sa amamu no ba ni nyina collapse communism ba bi asi yes ade nyina collapse ene oko Russia kura hwe wo billionaires o maskata all over the world o mutu wo moyi anya yi baby ani ho eyeye enti no enye aban no nko an obetumi afa nipa private sector ni wo mu ba mining ya ye wo mu improve mfa eyi mra ni ye hunu se trading ya adenti na me combine wa fa Ghana nyina wi ase ya baby a obi asika kopa e chop money edwom enti na retail trading no sika wo mebe no anopa bia obi chop money asan wa
akopa bia to
enti na sutu o mu chop money e wuye na ne CCTV camera da so e ho na eko Ghana for ye were big time traders obi antimi expanding the game no branches because usuro so fie ho kakra bia ye be disika no tie ni attitude ni ma nyina ha dwene oh nti ye de no nyina me okoka na would defeat too much from what is on the table nti eno na maka no say yetimi differentiate between lances destroyers and non-lances destroyers
we move forward all right remember I would say we look at the telcos and also the attitude of Ghanaians to say dollar cost yes petrol cost dollar ba form yes petrol na to any old stock ukodwomu a sa ka
me pacho minchua no waka na one point in say situation we Ghana for ya funny name dollar cost ba form ene ma ne boy den ba form nyina no ya fam ye ba ya benya price and income board twene akodua tike ono no ye in charge anse na ku yukra ba no ono na ode prices e ba ono anso na ehwe salaries ehwe bibia ye de yaba control price ye de aba achi nkofo agum ye de import license aba as to distribution of foreign exchange for importation of things to Ghana. Yes, to control for control for a for there na purely for trading. Ebi ho bi kutua na school fees ebi ho bi ko holidays otunkutum for but trading na wo de buy price nti na me ko free on ha nti oniema nyina no unua bi ko abruchire na se otone ma bre wo se tone a age se the information free ho ba se me bank 2 bank 3 bank 4 na le ko dis
me ba mi ahwe no na ma me endi dwa kakra power specialist herbal clinic Dr. Obapa Adea se enra no ofia ha na lenkomo na de se mama Adea botai nyina ne se o my Ghana e be fa yentoma pefra tie me odomfo na adom nim de sonko e wo hepatitis B ana hepatitis yare na enra obedi nkomo bi a ye friend of fatty liver che oso obi ohonum kra na ya no a wan hwa be kas wanya hepatitis B so no onyae na mom srade akoda ne brebo ho ama brebo no timi vaccine ti no ubo se hepatitis symptoms no na eyi ni ti so na aboa ni binim eno anwumra me ni di nkomo no se Omanhene ma me bi edi nkomo wie ya na obaye koni ni honam tuturu ni wo twetwe no te na hu hia se obekọ oso omu hie mu a fatty liver man ni no num ye hepatitis se wo bia ma me ado ya doctor koso ado ya uni ha kono oya no kwafo se brebo na se dru ba bia enye ye obeka kiro se enye no ka kiro so obewu so obewu enu nti no nipa ginedi a na enye te se ya ginedi se ni dia ne sa power specialist herbal clinic so ko pie hono a gonorrhea syphilis un kasa ebu obu pain fabra echo hania fabra memma wo drama atwea nane yemfa se kanka wo kidney ensema bamu a kidney stones no ne ho nkra ne ba nyina da arthritis pomoten fo ani kire ho Kumasi fe yase Lake Road bosomche kwaso ye ne Jasbro filling station din hwa ni mu enkan kwabenya pokwase AC main road takrade so Anaji estate ye ne Anaji MA primary din hwa ni mu bomoden pusu ahoma ya no paya na ka ho kọ eye wa mu eye obusuani wo dofo bi unua bi na ayi wasitre se ne ofam nie power specialist herbal clinic Obapa kosia do ya to sa from sebra number is 024 454 4422 024 454 4422 and a 020 038 3831 020 038 3831 31. Your WhatsApp line a 0555. TME WhatsApp. Ebi a obetimi na chat wa busa no ko sambini ade 0555 797878 0555 797878. And Ronya in 1 year di and a new year so year to also 5G non-alcoholic drink. Ewo enuane maku enum green tea. Ewo grapes. Yakuma wadwuma papa any grapes fruit. Jensen so ma bema wuntiri mu ye den. Mama dia frusani wo mu ama utimi CPC tower ewo mpaso. Na garana no. Oh. Aduane garana no. Emma wo ahoden. Emma wo edi stressill. Adea bako ye kura no se wa prepa udi garana na wasanya ahoden. Anu ti driver ni meteo teacher ni obi bia wo mem Ghana ha wutie ma no pay there make comfort 5G energy drink amount and a mizo drinky you want apple you want a melon you want a mango and you want mixed fruit. Now mixed fruit na me ma Bishop Divine bia obowie o say oh man it's good and I also do fia no ni mama ni nyina je o anya bi kra no tada no ba na o say sama ni bi ko na ni agye ho Omanhene kama santini kasa e kama na chese odim de oka sa kasa na besi na minim the actual word no kama no yes antikasa na say dey 0246 270 221 0246 270 bra Sompa first floor Obaba to ababa fefe honomo do so probia opese otobia obenya Mid City Auto Services Limited ye to safra say hye so afia no hia say ya road went no tieme awu emma prosini bi nchew anya sa hey Oma aban chew sabre we na gutwa road where there ejo bi na yo aban so de obejo etika ho Mid City. Now your pre-vehicle inspection, PVI, they say, over sell license or car, okay, registration. You better share brake, you better share suspension, shock absorbers, no. You share headlamp, send your canyon is so. You share exhaust. You see any idea? You can say car way a fatasa register money ye. Your license so. Mid City, our Bantuma, Kane Royal Gas in Chea Lebanon Club is one of the Royal Group members now. Number is 03220 06396 03220 06396 and a 0594 522 262. Kabiabi abobo ya pragia bass articulator payload down kabia machines now go from Germany. While be there dance say yes, Mid City any DVL for agiatum. Say yes, Juman and Mamo. Integrity Service Care Service. Abrochra Bagana. One say only part that say ni wo where dan bia wo mfie e kosoro a wo nyini no. Bibi timi touch ma oni peduem na wakafie. Eba sa na wo ma na bia duma bia na adesoa. Etukwa mononi a omo home cares ni bebrebe a ye de the aged koguo obu okura na ono so tie sika enti ye maame no mpanimfo bebre kwa abrochire omo ye de friend home care okohwe abrewa bia se de obe koni wom na sika ye de ma omo nya agro. Integrity Care Service for a doctor for kukudam ne nurse for pharmacist for ne ade omo ka omo ho abom a omo botai ne say at the comfort of your home. Just place a call. You want your friend a doctor's home visit. Doctor Beba examine one. I can just say there be. I will see a child scanner. Be child fee. I will see a lab. Be fee. Baba Jew or Janai or Johnson or Mojabi Bia Kama. And I say, Ope say, Ebia, O mame, a jumanti, Bibia touch my papa. Udofu be cry. I will say, Ukunubia, ya dear binti. Your resident nurse. oba friend na oba betre fie ho no ma be show ma me ama oba show papa ma show dofo ama de okoba nso so ho ena enro obu a diabetes enro no onom no ne impresso ntino na amande emesesa ne pressure enro ye be kire wo ni nyina enro wo so onom obu okra na yade no de ne tafie ye wo de friend tube feeding ng tube feeding e wo se de ayi bi hye ne minim amana aduane adi o mekire wo nyina kama afei dietary management wo ya de se ne wo so didie na ye wo emergency helpline misraw bibi betima siputupu ofie ebi akwala ebi ayi aka no we aka no ebi ana ayi accident bi asika sika atwa obi ejashi obi hu de obeye ofre ya 0246 270779 0246 270779 and 050 300 0018 050 300 0018. You can get us, send us an email on integritycareservicegh@gmail.com. integritycareservicegh@gmail.com and now www.integritycaregh.net and your website www.integritycaregh.net. Your Old Value View campus Quada so Cilium Squadra so yes the chwa obehu ye ho Oscar Magnier bronya ye di ye tonta de papa mema shirt papa suit papa and my dresses perfumes gu ho to say ehwampa omna sama be say ye Omanhene Yaw dem ho ehwam no na kume ai bomodina khaki materials ahodo belt wedding gowns men shirt afa mofra no ye bie badake ewo Nankani and Hagan Adum Railways. Yanni di chani mu pe. Uba we okaje ti autumn 4 statue Blessing House. Sounds so and abo we was. Prepare the 2nd Street. Yanni Sokoban station di hwani mu. Baby bath, baby suit, baby coat, baby suit, baby dresses, omo wardrobe, omo worker, omo carriers. The omo enku, the di jari omo emano breast pump, electric there ho. Manual bottle warmer, your baby hooded towel, quality jari we na de sheni tina to send one. I want to know almost cost seat. And then the idea was will be out the Oscar Mac. Frey 020 8120280 020 8120280 and a 024 599 9882 024 599 9882. Afei me the way chat to sciatica e dinkrofonia hankrofo o to ase on tiness ona de kosi ono se ho touch ma wa beto pege o beto samia o bo hu se wo ti yaw pace pa then so suffer no more 21st Clinic Abaoba. We are the sciatica experts. Your machine treatment laboratory your scan massage we baby o ma me da form stroke enyo dwe de na to ye beboa wo aye nhihye yama bibia ye kama obe sorry wonya ulcer wonya hepatitis ya de bia fruit so kopem na ase bomodin ne pusu ahoman 0540 311311 0540 311311 and 0540 311311 bomodin ne frɛ na maba wa fefefe wo bejo so adokutafo akukudam 18 branches and counting. Kumasi ade overseas junction. Hwa Alpha Radio chain. Obuaso so called junction. Obuasi council quarters ube hu yen. Sanso so na nkoko atani ata. Yene stadium engedi hwani mu. Enkran so ultra modern state of the art research center. It's Legon American House. Number ni bio 0540 311311. Yayen se memre da enche bia. Yegusu a ye di promo no eba. Ya bo ama Libya boga betena dwam near the Ghana fapem abrel Saturday from Nonsian kopem nonkron na ye the Ghana fapem abrel and they say bejo jino mine ho na ye penifo de betena se ye mane nko ye nko biasa ya dwumaso a minu yakuma makonta ya bo ama betena dwam na wa share memre da no pa you have asked for it and we'll give it to you Saturday morning from 6 to 9 uwie ya na final lap sports eba uwie ya no na yede de to aso healing point. Yeah, Dr. Blaise the Foster, 21st clinic for so they are hemum in Komodie Abremo. Shannon and Chebia Saturday. Ghana for him. Papa, I'm around check.
Omanhene.
Now you share Yensua. We are so quick. President Kufone Kai will say a lot of people in Ghana know the cost of everything but the value. You know the cost of but the humbans are so we are. Na ebeyem faswa. Na ye ni ase twa ho say ase nye kura na. Petrol sem pejai. Dollar sem dollar kwa say ase pejai ni mo. Na 11 ho. Sa pejai ni mo. On the mission. And yama pejai munya botre na ye wo all stock ye ton we are better so. Tell us for day na ma me di we nyina abeka ho say. By an act of parliament, January 1st, they're supposed to charge 1%. 2, Abaino Ediko Senka Oyi threshold nephew. Parliament did not agree. And you know, first 100 Ghana na yen deduct no is still in force. But unfortunately, now, as at now, ye may your transaction be yetime. First 100 Ghana. I was deducted a tax. And I'm asking myself, say, Ade, Papa Mami too.
But that's it. Niama dear na ye complex and say, say, oh, edikanfua politically no, omunye honest. Emaniama ye ding. Emaniama ye ding, especially say weak institutions, fragile institutions are. Omun neo acquired to say party in power extension. O rani o mine na etisa ede na beka. Anything obi e kan then the akowia na say jinyame.
Eno jinyame so be mu ana o man na enkoye.
Enkoye every say me no ye on ye hoden betimi akopma godro. Achire so a na bia ye training nipa wo mo ye investigative journalism. Won't be to me a call. To say, ya conta money, Nanka, Yamubia Fesmas Yakohe. So, as ye to me, sir, and Sancho Dumano, independent Sani Bebre. Na, and can near money be or enquire your party C or party B and a week and a week. But, in Sancho for truth. Exactly. Now, ye did be able to just say, but. Your political culture no. Ama obi anwogufi. Ama obi antie. Enti basa wan hwe ya, ne obeka ne so man no bia ye ntompo. Je se top bia, wo kan hu nia wo kan kwesi. Enu ti na ma me suggest say. Si a person san yetimi ba, ti memufo na se yetimi kirekire o mama yo se mo ti ase. No mo hu ni say, dodo amemwo no tumi ni kuta. Ti memufo na to aba no. Nedu abatwa anamuntuo sei enti emre kono a woba no amaye ne yesesa wo ye se ne emra ne hyehye eti a ne ayu afiro de sama yo for pesesa eni ma ebesesa yanko ne sa enye ye because say baby MPP dia babedre dem pass so you be a we justify MPP we defend the be agensa mu enti dia na MPP won say see obetimi de twa ndi simple so better than. So it's calling for a new government. It's simple as that. Near when you busy. And this you better do monsieur no any polluted water. Ever high brebo once a mawuke, Nina dodona a honey free. And Fasodia papa church mo chire musem Fasodia yenyano. Sabi a munye do samaye. So
as my figure big the amount of gold that a quaman on ne. Any Ghana dia ye free mu.
Of course. Wow. Now mami ka say me jero. Ghana how be or your resource person with TV and radio should be a more mabaso. Or me hard working people. Because we a political system now. When you be a unimu de na usia dia unya semka. Because just it is so bit timber transfer constantly.
Yeah, the political less
and every o person wa kire say ebu akwa telephone bi ba ebu say we about bi adba yi bani o
Well, you know the answer oh boy chido
So
no credit so na
no credit so the eka no. Enti no going forward no. Timemufo or manfo momenti ase so man no ne
what about the attitude of the Ghanaian say opeso chani nuabe when he also knows say this is the situation I want you to ba moma na Ghana for mia ye hu
eno ma menchira on yewum en say ewi ase o ma bia ni pursue etisa na wo ho
okay as ye de ndi adoso
debi ni ejina ni nyina na incompetent leadership whether chieftaincy religious whatever Africa ye ntimpanyi ni ase enti ya na ye niema na ye ngongoran se nipa ye di tumi hye wonsa so mu ni ye nim ye tafom ikuro bi owa wo hina sabi woti apakan mu na wodi kuro ni so no ebi ya na sika owo nti na brochi owo nti sa ne maniema na hayen enu nti na ma na basa hwe se okwa brochi memu a enipa na wo abrochire no a omudi mra so no mo ye niema sane yesema abrochire tumpon no wo de sa nipa na ba ha omo attitude ni change omo behave ti sane a sabi African ye no a adintra enye nipa no institutions eni sa wo ka se nipa ne sesa won subande ene ontimi ka ne sa ye kura ye dwuma ye suban sesa ye kutatumi ene gospel no a ye preach no dodo send ye preach omtimi sesa that is politics. All you need is the competent leadership and the strong institutions. Put it there, let it work. A bit disciplined the Panama, they will follow suit.
Okay.
And on here, the onion is at the Adea Akye Abia futu. Now, some of the politicians be sharing of catch and say, Munya futu no my Namuyamojuma. And ye 2 Ghana 4 and a munko over speedy and a 1 speedy. A bed then will jai over speed. Programs and policies. Edian Yedigo. Ama nipa no subanya sesa sa na be motie and this ay be blemu nipa no kwa hwe ba bia ye dwadi aba bedue da ben pa na wote se yato ade mu yate so pen and ye ka kire dwadifo so monte so ye ntumi hihye adwadie ne ye sika sam no ma ne numpomponso bi a se bibi ba fom a ebe ba fom ye no edu fiti prakope ko ka se onte so ote so sei already na ka wa pale de agu ho abanso ni moa e de so o masene o ejije se ye tuebo ene na ameka me se da bi na nka se ye tuebo kakra ye tubirika wo fa hodie no hododo ase ke ye tuebo hye ye ne abaye ye tutubirika bagye ni so ye tutubirika no kure wo mu no
abrabo ebo esu semji na
ene mo no Ghana problem is so complex untimi hu se me nso anu mfiri ha ana me nso anu mfiri ha ena abobpo amanchire ho basa ndi yesa ye bigum ntina na nsam ye ya asase ye hwene ye hwe a ye mfre buru ni bio sie ne an ye sie ne nhwe ntimi enti we die bi enkwachi 50
krase bakanso
mu meso mayen because after all say ye da so da wo mo krasa koko ye kike ka kredi ha dwene asam
ba bi tie on the telcos issue no
circles say no market
ntina maba o che no
say no 1
ba jo be
1.5 no a o mo tie no Skano coin.
Eno na mi bu say o.
17 na wo take osuru oni kobre omo so enni ono mo.
That's how buy no was 1%.
Me ba. Me say take osuru omo ni ono mo ho. Aban no na ahye mrama wo.
Onye giska no.
Aha. Enti aban no mfa bibia nkoma no a. Ana say kwan omo fa so.
Eye na 1.5.
The mechanism be shi mu na etiwa. Say sa kwan no no
so mo. Tina sa aban no na ntu sa na mo no.
Se o sa no pese o chi. Okay. Aban no mo wo pesika. Na we ya bade so be hu nya atwon kakra so be nya bi. Oh. What must say?
Which is illegal.
Yes.
Yes.
So 1st January ya. Enti 1st January second enyina na ye holiday. Enti bi enne.
Yen hwe nkosi ende.
Na mechanism a omo de be effect in any changes na be take time bi. We just about the day or two to
it's go.
Oh no yes ade mu yes e fail. Ye de betu mu one say because say you operative 3 months for enya 10 million. Ye de be iska.
Dollars.
Ghana cedis.
Dollars and
I'm phone tia.
Na ve woni abre ho.
1% no there. Wow, let's hope say.
No telcos ni dey no nti whoever is responsible for changing no.
Now on the issue of Ghana, yes soon as well.
Second is school dey maka ho asem say enye ade bi a menyini say ye betimi aka ho asem ene a ye tegay because ye to say ye change no a wo kan ye wo bra ye to aba ho fe ye to aba ofi ha
free micro
to aba
ye diketi o mo mbesa
ye ni mo kwa sorry de ye wo kan fine
okay
ye nyina ye nim say wo ho de nenso no fault ni obi hu bebre na the solution no any asemi so say me hu say things are changing somehow about the way we vote about the way we take money and use our conscience to vote but you can't just be sure but because we'll be him say and the young man be obesi to be and the shortest way to riches and it's about John political party no greedy no way yaba you whom de bia it mean come ho asem de bia so mo ba surprisingly to advertise omo SS wealth omo core political scene
omo and then why nya kra so abusuafo bu kohwini o
ye fere ko tonche kra na we clap for them means the one nya na abusuafo we clap for them obitimi ekoye wedding de elupri de because airport de ne ire kwa ne girl kwa buruchiri obitimi ko ye lavish ye ko high places ye onye adwuma nya katuada mo ba beka se me efi se ye wo me kra no wie university me nya adwuma nya katuada enso da bia no me solicit from friends ni ya no na aban abase business ye beti Bank of Ghana lending rate 14 20 25 bank for the 30 35 untumi control o kan say ye mpene na wo yem ra no yem wo meeting om ko ye de say you know
monetary policy
good control over banks no e wo hin
Ghana de just say ye tomu je ki upgrade ye
sawaje ba bi na me kwa ho ma no so ye pick up
yasabo
no obi aba no ye be ye tre kwan bullet train de bi o TV so say bullet train say ifiri hin o e de be na be fa so obi ntimi ni ayi bebre ni be da
na no bacho ya shase
na bullet train ai fa na be fa
me ko chidin kran san ka me hwe na na mu ahwesi ya shase
ai bensa bullet train we got bullet trains coming
tekroma memu de ya di o
I was for join me on the lines quickly yentie wo so ade check na
ye ko ye besen yakom ne ya ye ni ye
na
no say me hu advert bi
I love it
o say Africos see $100 million cocoa processing plant to process the cocoa nya the opposite no Ghana is building 400 million cathedral to praise God. I mean,
can you imagine? Okay.
Can you imagine?
Number no.
What can cathedral? What can cathedral?
What's my kind?
What can cathedral?
Cathedral na making.
Okay.
See, and the Omanhene
Yaw build $100 million for cocoa process. And also Ghana so 400 million.
To praise
manage that topic no.
I will have time to do it. 0551 931 931 0551 931 931. Let's pick some 2 or 3 we call 0548 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Morning, I'm
Bacha Wanye.
Tony Neil from Chrono.
Tony Yetu.
Discussion now we're discussing very, very good. But in Kenya country be any serious in Ghana, almost from 1st January 2023. Electronic transfer now over here 10%, 1% no mbeti for living. And then on the 5th, you say MV. I'm going to charge you for my any illegal.
Hello, good morning. Pacho, my radio go for mommy. Mommy too. Why you?
3.1.
Ain't you on pay?
Can say delegates now from the police station executives now. Yeah, they said that now. You could say now it. I'm running about some kind of form of a trail for more.
Oh.
You order them by what?
That's it. I know, we'll try. Very hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me ba cho hande.
Hello.
Hello, me ton ka hande.
Omanhene.
Yes, sir. Kasa me ton ka wai. Oh. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Mr. Monka.
Aha, kasa.
Yeah, Mr. Mo discussion I'm the kakra.
you.
Yeah, Ghana, no more panelist, no more. I don't know, sir. More, my dear. Yeah, sir, more something about Ghana. More fun compare other country. Now, no, I'm a began. Now, if you show or number, okay, baby. Sir, I began almost you can say, what do you call it? The black market exchange, which is wrong.
Why the kind me can't say
about the 3 months.
I don't remember even discussing Abidjan black market. No.
And concerning you cocoa processing, and will be to say you can say cathedral. Yam so cool. If you see the biggest cathedral in Africa, South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, almost economy number say. What is the mention? Cathedral, access. Don't me and cancer come to me, Ghana focus a lot whereby our man also by the chamber was set.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ye?
If I Maxwell, because I feel the mind grow.
Maxwell, what I'll chat to am into.
Omanhene, the Muslim person tell my reader I want to say. Inti Omai ebeye na ebeye so ataben. Inti niema ekoso nyina no e wo man mu. Edwuma wa ye ntase se asem wo under investigation na omampani etumi da no betum sa ma ni. Musem busa pa bese me hono no.
Mate. Yes, me da se abusian for me da Reverend Paul Kofi Ajakum Papa
Titi no yasesa
Pacho
Apostle Paul Ajakum
Reverend Apostle Paul Kofi Ajakum
amenchia me masofo mpanimfo
asori ne victory
missions and victory
mission
Ghana had the victory outreach
and victory missions. Okay,
yeah, but they're the same church.
Pacho chia omona time.
Mechia Apostle Omanhene Yaw.